Today I am reviewing the Chefman Air Fryer TurboFry 7QT. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with a versatile, powerful, and modern cooking appliance, the Chefman Air Fryer TurboFry 7QT 6 in 1 is definitely one worth paying attention to. Air fryers have become incredibly popular over the past few years, but not all of them deliver the same level of performance. This model stands out by combining high-powered cooking, smart features, and a surprisingly space-efficient design. Right from the start, what makes this air fryer different is its upgraded convection system. It uses a high-tech DC motor that allows it to cook up to 40% faster than many standard air fryers. That means less waiting time and more consistent results. And with a maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it goes beyond what most air fryers offer, giving you that extra edge when it comes to achieving crispier, golden brown finishes. Now, let's talk about versatility, because this isn't just an air fryer. It's a full 6-in-1 cooking system. You can air fry, bake, broil, reheat, dehydrate, and even cook frozen foods, all from one appliance. This kind of flexibility makes it incredibly useful for everyday cooking. Whether you're preparing a quick snack, reheating leftovers, or experimenting with homemade dehydrated fruits, this machine handles it all without needing multiple devices cluttering your kitchen. One feature that really stands out is the dedicated frozen food function. Instead of simply blasting frozen food with heat, the TurboFry starts at a lower temperature to gently defrost and then automatically ramps up to crisp everything to perfection. The result is evenly cooked food with a crispy exterior and a soft, well-cooked interior. It's perfect for things like fries, chicken tenders, or mozzarella sticks, foods that often turn out uneven in other air fryers. Capacity is another strong point here. With a 7-quart basket, this air fryer is ideal for families or anyone who likes to cook in larger batches. You can easily prepare meals for up to 5 or 6 people without having to cook in multiple rounds. Despite this large capacity, the design is surprisingly compact and space-saving. Its narrow, elongated shape allows it to fit comfortably on your countertop while still accommodating longer foods like fish fillets or asparagus. Using the air fryer is simple and intuitive thanks to the built-in digital touchscreen. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, even if you're new to air frying. You can quickly switch between cooking modes, adjust temperatures, and set timers with just a few taps. There's also a helpful shake reminder that alerts you when it's time to toss or flip your food, ensuring even cooking without having to constantly monitor the process. Another thoughtful feature is the Easy View window. Instead of opening the basket and losing heat, you can check on your food through the built-in window. This might seem like a small detail, but it makes a big difference in maintaining consistent cooking temperatures and achieving better results overall. When it comes to performance, this air fryer really delivers. Foods come out crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, whether you're cooking chicken, vegetables, or frozen snacks. The higher temperature capability allows for better browning and texture, which is something many air fryers struggle with. Cleanup is also refreshingly easy. The nonstick basket prevents food from sticking, and the removable rack is dishwasher safe. Even if you choose to clean it by hand, it only takes a few seconds to wipe everything down, which is a huge plus for everyday use. Safety and reliability haven't been overlooked either. The air fryer includes features like auto shut-off when the timer ends or when the basket is removed. It's also built with durable materials and meets safety standards, giving you peace of mind while cooking. Of course, like any product, it's not perfect. The larger capacity, while useful, does mean it takes up slightly more counter space than ultra-compact models. And while the fan can be a bit noticeable during operation, it's a small trade-off for the powerful performance you're getting. Overall, the Chefman Air Fryer TurboFry 7QT6 in 1 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to combine speed, versatility, and high-quality cooking results in one appliance. It's especially great for families, busy individuals, or anyone who wants healthier meals without sacrificing taste or texture. If you want an air fryer that goes beyond the basics and actually improves your cooking experience, this is definitely a product worth considering. Once you start using it, It quickly becomes one of those kitchen essentials you rely on almost every day.